Chef Patrick here from the Paradise Lagardère Dining Division. So for me, fall always means football and chili. So we're gonna make some chili today. We've got some fresh ground beef, onions, I'm doing Poblano peppers and jalapeno peppers, with some fresh garlic, cilantro stems, black beans. I'm using canned black beans, so I'll put these in at the end. We've got tomato sauce and our seasoning. I like to use garlic salt, cumin, cumin seed, and chili powder. I wanted to share a quick technique with you on cutting peppers. This is how I like to approach it, is I just hold it by the top and then just follow the pepper down. You can do this with green peppers, red peppers. It's a little bit trickier with poblanos, but that's okay. So by doing this, I haven't really touched the inside of the pepper, so my hands are pretty safe right now. And by leaving the seeds out, we can kind of control the heat a little bit. And then we just turn them into a dice. We preheated our pot. If you want everything to taste better, you make sure it's a blue pot. So to our hot pan, we're gonna add ground beef. And we're gonna cook this until it's brown. So for the meat, I like to season it very generously with garlic salt. It's one of our favorite things here. And then chili powder. Actually, we're gonna do it like this. Okay, so we're gonna add a little bit of replacement oil in there. And now it's time for the veggies. So in go the peppers. And the onions. So we're just gonna saute these a little bit just to get them a little sweaty and start turning translucent. We don't have to cook them too hard because it's gonna simmer for a couple hours before we eat it. So we don't wanna cook them all the way through right now. The onions are starting to get translucent. The peppers are starting to get a little soft. I'm gonna give them one more stir. And I kind of like to bunch them inside the pan here. And then add the garlic. Okay, so the garlic's cooked, it's turned white. So now we're gonna start putting this guy together. So we're gonna add our seasoned browned ground beef. We've got a good mix. I'm gonna add my cumin seed. Give those guys a mix so they can toast up a little bit as well. Now our tomato sauce. I like to add my cilantro stems now. I have them tied up so I don't have to fish them out later. So we're gonna bring this to a simmer. We're gonna cover it and we're gonna let it cook for about an hour. And then we're gonna taste and see how we're doing. All right, now it's time for the big reveal. So there's our chili. About 15 minutes ago, I added the black beans. I always use canned black beans. They're easy to deal with. All right, so now it's time to plate it up and serve. So get a nice scoop of chili in here. We like to use a lot of different toppings in our house. I'm gonna throw some cheese on here first. And definitely some green onions. This one's for me, so it's getting cilantro. And I'm gonna do a little sour cream. A little squeeze of lime. And then for the avocado, you notice quickly, I've already scored it, cut it down. So now I can just take a scoop and voila, they just come right out like that. Thanks everyone, hope you enjoyed it. It was fun to do. It's football season, it's time to tailgate. Let's have fun this fall. Thanks.